I guess it would be a safe bet to say that you like birds.
Yes.
So when did this fandom begin?
Um, Actually, it was right like, it was during my internship with Ohio Nature Education. That's when I really just kind of started sitting around and watching birds and identifying them and listening to them, um, and I don't know, I kind of find them out uplifting in a way, just as, like, as scientists and everything like that, and, of course, I've always been a science nerd also, so it's just kind of it's fun to kind of lean into the nature aspect into my work and, like, getting some science, into my piece of works.
Any favorite birds?
That's like choosing my favorite child, John, it really is. Um, I hmm. Out of the ones at Ohio Nature Education, I think the screech owls were definitely the most intimidating. So I think I like them because they were so cute and small, but also they will gather in hordes and like it's just very creepy being in like a little like enclosure with them and them kind of like all huddled in a corner together. It's like larger in numbers. So that's also what kind of influenced my work there is um being in that enclosure with them. I was like, okay, you guys are small, but also you're very evil in a way. So